Hi, my name is Celine and I'm a student at Universidad del Pacífico. Today I'm going to show you how you can enroll in your courses at incoming.up.edu.pe. Let's get started. We start at the homepage, where we click Enrollment, which takes us to the index. The first thing you have to do is choose the carrito, and then scroll to 2019-2 on the periodo field. Once in there, click Buscar, and you'll see the available courses. Here you have two options. You either write the name of the course or its code in the field Palabras Clave. Or you search on the list one that you're interested in. In both cases, click Agregar when you see a course you want on the bottom. Repeat the process as many times as you need. On the right side of the screen, on the Mi Carrito section, you'll see the selected courses. Are you happy with the courses you have chosen? Are they all there? Alright, then let's click Continuar con la inscripción, then Periodo 2019-2, and finally, after checking everything is fine, click Next. Wait, what happened? Oh, of course, some courses overlap. Don't worry, that's pretty normal. It is possible that some classes overlap, or even your exams and finals. If that happens, simply click Eliminar and delete one or more problematic courses. Now, remember you need between 12 and 20 credits to enroll in the courses. In this case, I've only got 5 plus 2 plus 3. That's 10 credits. It's not enough. Remember, if you delete one of the courses you have chosen and you need more credits, or you just want to make the most of your time by enrolling in more classes, you need to go back to the carrito and resume the process to add a new course that doesn't overlap. Let's try again. We scroll down, click on Buscar, choose a new course or whatever we want. And click Continuar con la inscripción. We choose Periodo 2019-2, click Next, and voila, you are enrolled. Or as it says here, congratulations, your enrollment is complete. Would you like to check your schedule and write it down? Access Calificaciones, and then Horario Académico No Oficial, where you'll find all the information regarding the courses you've enrolled in. If you are a student that's already taking classes, scroll to the very end, where you'll see the 2019 semesters. If the information on this video is not clear enough, go to the homepage, where you'll find a step-by-step tutorial in English. That's it for today. Thanks for watching this video and being part of Universidad del Pacífico. See you in class. Bye!